Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, this video is for those that have been claiming tip points. You need to connect to your wallet. I'm going to show you how to connect to your wallet now so that you can be able to claim your epoch point, your tip coin. Do you understand? So if you have been claiming, just stay tuned, I'll show you. So they made a tweet yesterday, so I wasn't online. I just came online this morning and I was seeing it. They said wallet submission is now live. Please connect before Wednesday, September 13th at noon EST to be eligible for epoch 1 claim. So please make sure you are on the correct site. The tipcoin.io is our only website. Do you understand, guys? So I'm going to show you how to connect your wallet now so that you can be able to so that you'll be eligible to claim your first points. Do you understand? So if you have not been claiming, scroll down to my YouTube channel. I made a video yesterday about this airdrop. Do you understand? There's nothing like if you have Twitter account, you are eligible. Do you understand? All you have to do is to go to their site, perform 3 tasks, connect your Twitter account, then start commenting on people's posts, people that made a tweet about Tipcoin. Or here now, you can actually come here and and claim like and type tip at Tipcoin. Do you understand? Something like this now. Do you understand? Something like this. Just type in this, you earn points, or something like this at Tipcoin net at tip. Do you understand? You just earn points. So, but this video is for those that have been claiming. I'll show you how to connect your wallet now. You can log in with your MetaMask, Bitget, Trust Wallet, anyone. If you have Kiwi wallet, if you have Kiwi browser, sorry about that. If you have Kiwi browser, good. If you have MetaMask on your Kiwi browser, you can use that. If you have MetaMask on your Mesos browser, fine. Do you understand? So you need to connect your wallet so that you can be able to claim your epoch point, your tip coin. So let's go. I'll be using my Bitget wallet. Do you understand, guys? Just put in this tip coin .io on the D browser and then connect your Twitter account, then connect your wallet. I will show you how to do that now. So guys, I've not done anything recently. I've not comment or claim anything. So guys, I've not even comment tip. I've not claimed my daily points. So after this video now, I'm going to go and claim my point. So that you need to log in. Do you understand? Just tipcoin.io. When you click on it, it will redirect you to their site. Do you understand? Then connect your Twitter account. Make sure that you see this video to the end. Do you understand? Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, share. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Here in this channel, we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency without spending a dime, guys. So all we have to do now to be eligible to connect our wallet now. You know, when you look at this upper side now, you will see stats. These stats now, you see mention. Do you understand? All you have to do is to scroll. When you scroll, you can actually see that this sign is actually moving. Do you understand? For you to add your wallet, this video is for those that have been claiming. Now if you have not been claiming, you need to start claiming. Just connect your Twitter account and you start earning. There's nothing, no referral, guys. Just claim. Not, you never can tell. You know how this crypto space can be. Do you understand? So don't snooze, don't sleep on any update, guys. So you need to scroll down. Now you don't see claim and then revenue. So you click on claim now, guys. This claim, click on claim to add your wallet. Do you understand? So my claim verification status verified, total claim 0.00. So claim wallet. Do you understand? You need to connect to your wallet, guys. So I'll click on connect. You see, please ensure you are connecting the correct wallet. One, you will continue to have access to. You will not be able to change wallet after starting the connection process. Do you understand, guys? So make sure that you add your wallet. Make sure that you have your wallet details saved. Do you understand? So guys, I'll claim on connect now. Do you understand? Claim on connect, add your wallet so that you'll be eligible to claim. Do you understand? And this is the only wallet. Just so you know that once you connect this wallet now, this is the only wallet that you're making use of to claim these tip points. Do you understand? So click on connect. Do you understand? You can actually see that. I'll click on that. So guys, say verify. Automatically I've actually connected my wallet, so I'll click on verify now guys. So guys, say Tipcoin. I want you to sign in with your Ethereum account. Do you understand? Blah 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 blah. Do you understand? Verify your wallet on Tip. Do you understand? So I'm going to click on this signature guys. Do you understand? So I'm going to click on it. So I'll input my password to unlock my wallet. So guys, that's just it. You see your wallet automatically. My wallet has been connected. Do you understand? So guys, that's just it. So guys, that's just it guys. So I've not claimed any guys. So all you have to do is to connect your wallet. Make sure that your wallet details is saved somewhere else. Do you understand? So that even if you misplace your phone, you can be able to retrieve your wallet. Then just so you know that this is the only wallet that you'll be making use of if you are to claim your Tipcoin. Do you understand guys? So if this is your first time of seeing my video here in this channel, we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency guys. So do wait to subscribe, scroll down to my channel. There are other important videos that you're also going to benefit from. So if you have not been claiming Tipcoin guys, scroll down to my channel. You will see a video I did on how to claim, on how to connect and start claiming tip points guys. So that'll be all for now guys. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.